We're in a race against time. Our world has changed dramatically in just a few short weeks. Each day that passes, the stakes get even higher due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It's highly contagious and especially dangerous to the elderly and those with underlying health conditions like heart disease or lung disease or diabetes and cancer. And it's spreading faster than they can contain it. Now, everyone agrees that the key to containing it is testing and quarantining those who are infected. But the problem is that spot testing just doesn't work. Why? Because someone can test negative for the virus today, then just a short while later become infected by another person who's currently asymptomatic. It's like trying to empty a sinking ship with a leaky bucket. So what's the solution? The solution has to be continuous monitoring and testing, not just spot testing. This is a situation we will have to live with for the foreseeable future. Fortunately, the technology to do this is here right now, and it's called CCM+, or Continuous COVID Monitoring. CCM+ is a state-of-the-art wearables and IoT platform which continuously monitors both temperature and heart rate, key metrics, in people remotely through the uses of smart wristband, an app on their phone, and uses AI algorithms to detect potential COVID-19 symptoms. Now, if abnormalities are found, such as high temperature, the system notifies both the user and their doctor or authority figure and prompts them to list any other symptoms they may display. The AI goes to work to detect potential COVID-19 infection and also locates and identifies those infected and at risk of infecting others to try and track any spread. This is the most comprehensive real-time monitoring and tracking health platform available anywhere. And it's available now for you and your loved ones. If you have family or friends or people you care for who do not live with you, you owe it to them to provide state-of-the-art monitoring to help them keep safe so they can be assisted if they show symptoms. Their health measurements show up on the CCM+ cloud-based dashboard so you can see their present health wherever they are in the world. You also owe it to yourself to give you the peace of mind that they are being monitored even when you are not physically present. And of course, the situation also applies in reverse. So how does it work? Simply, the user puts the smartband on their wrist and pairs it with a dedicated app on their phone. Real-time, continuous data immediately starts streaming to the CCM+ cloud interface, showing their temperature and heart rate amongst other metrics. If, for example, you ordered this service for your son or daughter in a different city, she could wear the device and you could be alerted by the dashboard if her temperature rises or if she breaks her quarantine, if that's a requirement. But what if they forget to charge the watch or remove it? Can't they break their quarantine then? No. In the event that they leave their quarantine location or remove the device, they receive a message from our platform notifying them of such, and so does their doctor or relevant authority figure if they're mandated to shelter in place. Of course, if they're not infected, they can still go about their daily business to exercise or grocery shopping, but the device and platform is so smart, it even helps the user maintain social distancing. So, how much does it cost? A better question might be, how much might it cost not to sign up for CCM+? You don't want it to cost someone's health or worse. You can buy inexpensively individual devices and subscriptions, or even a family pack or corporate package. The pricing is available on our product page. For a small extra charge, we can also offer a clinical care center staffed by trained professionals who will handle the issues and escalate if necessary if you're not available. You can order the CCM+ device and access to the platform here today, right now. You might also want to check whether you or your loved ones can get it for free under Medicare. Ask your doctor to check out our sister site at advancedremotemonitoring.com to find out. Hospitals and medical systems are overwhelmed and cannot cope. Remote monitoring is the only way forward, as person-to-person contact is not required to monitor those who are infected of contagious diseases or who display symptoms. It keeps everyone safe. CCM+ is timely, and necessary to contain this virus and help life return to normality as soon as possible. Don't let another day go by without ordering CCM Plus for yourself and your family.